What's going on, everybody? Jim Tucker here. Tucker Talks Turf, and today we're talking stripes. So I've had a few people reach out and inquire about striping the field or your lawn. And so stripes occur because of the orientation of the grass. So as we mow, we're pushing blades one way or the other. And so the camera right now, when you're looking at me, I'm standing on a bright stripe because those blades are pushing back away from the camera. The stripe that I'm standing on, it looks bright to you, but in my view, it's dark because those grass blades are pointing at me. And so, how do we achieve a stripe? For us, we use a Toro Time Master 30-inch rotary push mower, and we have the Toro striping kit on the back. You get the striping kit, fill it with sand or water. You can fill it with something, and that adds weight to the roller. And so as you cut the grass, the weighted striper on the back pushes the grass down a little bit more. So do you need one? Do you need a stripe kit? Not necessarily. There's tons of guys on Instagram, TikTok, all over the place that are striping with just their deck. And so you could do double passes to try to reinstill the grass pattern in your stripes. There's a ton of DIY models out there as well. But if you want to achieve a stripe, residential and lawn care, if you mow your grass a little taller, the blade of grass is going to be more susceptible to a push if you're looking for stripes. Another way you can do it would be getting PVC pipe, filling it with the same material, buying the brackets and attaching it to your mower yourself as well. But when you see stripes, standing on it one way and looking at it the other way, that stripe is going to change colors and the pattern is going to inverse on you because of the direction of the grass. So the light stripes that you see are the full blades of grass pushing away from the camera, and those dark stripes are the blades pointing at you or wherever your vision is. But I love the stripes, and not everybody wants to stripe because they believe that the ball might wiggle or snake, but I think it gives the field a good look. And so we're going to keep throwing down the stripes. So I would love to see your stripe patterns. Leave it in the comment below if you got any pictures, or reach out to me. I'd love to feature some fields from across the country, high school fields from across the country over the winter, because at some point we're going dormant here. And I won't be cutting the grass for a few months. So share with me anything that you have, and I'll continue to reach out for those. But if we're talking stripes, it's one way or the other, baby. Let's go to work.